All you have to do, here's the on and off switch. Turn this thing to on, and then here's the choke, and this is, I mark it as off. You need to turn this thing over there to be on, so it'll click like that, and then you give some gas, about 4 or 5 pumps. Just make sure this lever slide all the way to the left, to fast. And then you walk to the other side. And here's the rope for starting. You just pull. That's how you do it. And then this is how you shut it off. Shut it off. That's how you shut it off. And that's all you have to do. You don't even have to touch the speed lever on the bottom.